Davin Lim, Dermatologist. So this video will cover skin maintenance treatments. So picture this, you've got your result from your injectable or your laser treatment or even your energy device. Now once you got the results, the aim thereafter is to preserve that result as long as you possibly can. And this is where skin maintenance treatments come in. So apart from skincare, which we'll be discussing in another video, this video will talk about peels, energy devices, and lasers. So to start off simply, if you have darker skin types, so someone like myself or even darker, the answer is a Pico laser. The Pico laser is very good for treating pigment because darker skin types has what's known as a target or the chromophore, which means these patients do very, very well with Pico lasers. So one treatment, possibly every 4 to 6 months, can reduce the amount of future wrinkles and decrease pigment, all with no downtime. So darker skin types, Pico laser is the way to go. If you have lighter skin types, if you've had some sun damage in the past and have had either deep peels or even deep resurfacing, either by myself or my nurses, or if you've had fractional laser treatments, we can use small spot lasers which give you minimal downtime to help preserve the results that you've had. So the two lasers that we like to use include what's known as a 1927 diode laser, which is very different from the 1927 Fractional laser. The diode is a mini Fractional laser. Your downtime can be tailored between 48 all the way up to 96 hours. And typically patients undergo between 1 to 3 of these mini treatments every year. From there, you can go to what's known as a CO2 laser. So it's a small spot fractional CO2 using very low power. And with this laser, we can deliver powerful skincare actives, including retinoids, such as retinoic acid, trifarotene, or tazarotene. And what we can do is that for each patient, we can tailor a program to decrease the amount of pigment to help maintain or prevent wrinkles, but do it in a way where we respect your downtime. So small spot CO2, what we call LARI, laser assisted retinoid infusion, one of the best ways to maintain your results. From there, your dermatologist or your nurse can talk about other energy-based devices to help maintain your skin's integrity, firmness, and improve your skin tone. So these treatments include radio frequency devices, things like Tempura, Pelave, or the New Era. These low downtime, low cost treatments can help maintain your skin's integrity and also improve firmness. So all our treatments at Cutis are tailored according to your skin type, your downtime, and obviously your concerns. For more, discuss with our experts.